Welcome back to Real Estate Talk. My name is Lucy Kabanga, and we're here at our last location here at the BICC. And I must say, today's engagement was quite an intense one, if you ask me, because banai gogana ndithu my stakeholders siana not gogana per se, but the discussion was quite heated inside, and we saw that there was a lot of discussions that were going on. Literally, we have one of the officials from Macra, and his name is Kondwani Katchika with us. Menemuone amuta bitaku Blanta, tinamba ku Blanta, tabira ku Zomba, tafikaso ku Nzuzu in the north, tabweyaso kunoko kulilongwe for our last Yanga workshop. Mugona kuti workshop imene yaenda modern.
No, the workshops have been really brilliant. We started off in Blanta. We started on a high note. We had a good turn-up. The presentation to the workshop was what we as Macra expected. You guys brought in physical planners, surveyors, estate agents to come and listen to us in terms of what NAS is. So we started off very well. Then we went to Zomba. It was also good. We met the academia there who were able also to add into the conversation. Then the conversation in Zuzu was also very exciting. And to end it up all here in Lilongwe, it was exciting. You noticed the conversations we had.
Very exciting.
Very exciting conversations. As we mentioned, the 50-50 conversation, yes. 50% presentation. Engagement. This is what I think made the whole workshops exciting. There was engagement, there was feedback, which is what we're expecting and very happy with.
Okay, nde mwina mungolongosola kwa anthu amene sanamvezi na simagambidwa mu workshop imene kuti amvetsetse bwino kuti as Macra mukuona kuti workshop imene yaenda modern.
No, thank you so much. The workshop basically was intended to bring information to the real estate sector, my developments many Macra yakayikuchita on the NAS project. You know, National Addressing intends to allocate addresses to every residence, every place in Malawi. We want to allocate a physical address. And so we have reached the stage where we have made a lot of progress. And having made that progress, we felt that we need now to start engaging the society, the economy. And the first and primary segment we felt we should engage with was the real estate sector, because it's you guys in the real estate who now deal with properties, who deal with maps. So we thought that by engaging you firstly, before moving to the other segments of society, we would be doing the project justice. And I think what we have done is exactly what we intended to do. We have, through these workshops, established the relationship between NAS and the real estate, the benefits that will accrue to the real estate, and also the benefits that NAS can manage to get from the real estate sector. So it's been very brilliant, the exchange of knowledge, the input that we have received, very brilliant. We are very happy with the progress. So choyambilira pangwirizano wathu between Macra and real estate talk is kuti tikamamaliza ma workshop amene wawa we consolidate zonse zomwe takambirana in terms of my recommendations, mafunso osiyana amene tikuyenera kupanga clarify, and then ngati fa Macra tikhala tikuzigwiritsa ntchito zimene zijazi moving the project forward. Komanso tikuyembekezera kuti inu ngati a real estate mutenga zomwe takambiranazi and kuzigawira anzanu magulu osiyana ma platforms osiyana kandi ma physical planners kandi ma surveyors kandi ma estate agents, whatever we have shared here. Tukuyembekezera kuti zikakhala kuti zikupangidwa incorporate ma discussion osiyana kama kupanga discuss ma policy mfundo zosiyana zomwe mukukambirana. Now that you know kuti kuli NAS, tukuyembekezera kuti no pokambirana pano paja muzikadziwana kuti kuli national addressing system. Icho ndicho chomwe timayembekezera kuti chichitika kuchoka pano kupita kutsogolo. Kaya mukugwira ntchito zosiyana mukugawa maploti, tukuyembekezera kuti mukakhalanso mukupanga incorporate all the concepts of NAS that we have shared through these workshops.
Panaiso fuso uchokera ku Ministry of Lands nkati mu workshop anafusa fuso lopasa chidwi kwambiri chifukwa nawso ali ndi system yomwe akupanganso nayo yofananirako ndi ya national addressing system. Iniyo ngati Macra mugwira nawo ntchito motani a Ministry of Lands pa nkhani imeneyi kuti data isasiyane kwambiri.
Okay. Thank you so much for Jafuso Limeneo. In fact, Anafusa is just one of the participants, not necessarily from Minister of Lands. For a Minister of Lands, project hii tulikuwa na nchito pamoja tinima committee siana many one of the committees they belong to. But in terms of project yomwe kupanga Minister of Lands akupanga land information management system. Ikupanga incorporate how to manage land ndizina pomwe ife tukupanga project ya Address kuti kumalo land imeneyo akuipanga manage lands mukafikirako bwanji. So tukuyenera kupereka postcode, tukuyenera kupereka street name, tukuyenera kupereka house number. So ndi zinthu ziwiri zosiyana koma zomwe zikuyenera kugwira ntchito limodzi. Ma system amenewa mayiko anzathu ena ndi enawo amapangidwa mmene tapangira kunomu komano ultimately akuyenera kugwira ntchito limodzi. So if Lands will be engaging with them so that their land information management system, which is called LIMS, with our NAS collaborate. And that is very doable. My system, when we use my APIs, what they call APIs, for information to exchange between the two systems. It's happening in Rwanda, in West Africa, all over where these systems have been implemented. Pamaka collaboration between these two systems so that people benefit.
All right, nkani ya ikuso mwina inakambidwa ndi raising awareness, issue of raising awareness ya national addressing system. Mwakambaso nkati mokuti munamba chamu 2019 umu kupanga collect data, kupanga implement the national addressing system. Nde panopa it's 2025. How are you going to be working moving forward with the information ya national addressing system? Mwina aliyense athe kuidziwa ngakhale anthu amidzimu. For naona some presentation munanena kuti anthu akulilangwe. You're also trying to include them. But then unto in the deeper areas ngati midzimu. How are you also going to incorporate them more national addressing system imene?
Yeah, ndizofunikira kuti message ya NAS ikafikire pena paliponse. And as Macra we realized unena kuti the work is huge. Macra payo kasingafikire pena paliponse. So we work with partners, as we mentioned in the presentation. We've got an awareness committee at national level, which is chaired by Macra itself. But at each district where we're implementing NAS, we are also setting up district awareness committees. Amena kugwira na fenchito, mafalisa nkhani manager mamidzi mwawo. And at each stage, at each project stage, yomwe tikupanga kati ukapereka manambala ku manyumba kati kupereka maina amisewu timagwira ntchito ndi ma district awareness committees amene ajawa kuti akhale akwadziwitsa anthu chomwe chikakhale chikuchitika kuti ife tikamabwera mbuyo mukudzagwira ntchito zosiyana-siyana anthu aja akakhala akudziwa. So the strategy we have used is to decentralize awareness. Apart from other than centralizing it at Macra, taipanga decentralize in my district osiyana-siyana kwina kule kosi community kukwira. Another part of awareness my engagement in my professional bodies. Today, as we are finishing these workshops, we are engaging with the real estate sector professionals. I mean, so to go, many atenga kani mene akaswa kuipanga disseminate within their professional bodies. We'll be doing the same with other segment of the economy, engaging them, informing them, and also imploring them to putting kani mene akaipeditse patsuko.
Okay, Yanga workshop, how do you look at it? Was it a success, or do you think that we can build more on it?
No, brilliant. It's been a brilliant 4 workshops. I think it's gone beyond our expectations. The team at Real Estate has done a brilliant job in terms of some professionals. I mean, now, my physical planners, my surveyors, my estate agents. All those are the people. I mean, now. My researchers, my issues and research on them. Real Estate was able to bring them together. In terms of how we can take us forward. So it's been a brilliant 4 workshops. I think I should thank the team at Real Estate. They did a brilliant job in terms of coordinating the participants.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Katchika, for joining me today here at BICC. We still have a couple of more people to chat to. Remember to follow us on our social media platforms, by Facebook, by YouTube, Real Estate Talk Malawi, and you can be assured to find this as your perfect spot for real estate awareness.